Interested in a 2007 Holden Commodore?
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, stability control, power mirrors.
The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.